Despite only offering 100 different types of cryptocurrencies, Gemini is well respected by entrepreneurs and investors due to its focus on security and compliance, rather than boasting an array of random cryptos. Additionally, the platform is available worldwide, including all 50 states in the US, which even the titan Binance couldn't manage. Still, is the juice of this exchange worth a squeeze? Join CoinScan as we find out. Gemini was founded in 2014 by the Winklevoss twins, Cameron and Tyler. Unless you've been living under a rock for the past 15 years, you'll know the pair best for their involvement in the creation of the social networking site Facebook and the ensuing bitter legal battle with Mark Zuckerberg. After settling the case, the Winklevosses used some of the settlement money to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, making a heap of profit. They then saw an opportunity to create a regulated exchange for cryptocurrency trading and founded Gemini in 2014, turning all of their attention to the emerging world of DeFi. Gemini was one of the first regulated cryptocurrency exchanges in the world and quickly gained a reputation for its focus on security and compliance. In 2015, the exchange received approval from the New York State Department of Financial Services to offer Bitcoin and Ethereum trading to customers in the state of New York, before expanding to all 50 states and other countries. Since then, Gemini has continued to expand and now supports all the top cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum and Litecoin, and a handful of smaller altcoins. It has also added support for institutional traders and offers a range of services such as custody and over-the-counter trading. Gemini is well regarded and popular among both retail and institutional investors. Its asset offerings are nothing to write home about, but its focus on security and compliance, as well as being regulated by the New York State Department of Financial Services, are what gives users confidence in the platform. One unique feature of the exchange that does set it apart are auctions, which allow users to buy and sell large blocks of cryptocurrency at predetermined prices, which is useful for traders looking to execute large trades without disrupting the market. Nevertheless, a significant disadvantage of the platform is that it offers fewer coins than other exchanges, with just over 100 tokens to date, especially considering that its most prominent rival, Binance, is considered conservative and still has over 350. Still, the platform maintains its popularity and a not too shabby 13.6 million active users through its strong regulatory connections, positive reputation, and a loyal user base. Gemini is designed to be user-friendly and easy to use, with a clean and intuitive interface that makes it easy for users to buy and sell cryptocurrency. The exchange's trading platform is straightforward and intuitive, with a range of tools and features that are useful for both beginner and advanced traders. For example, the site includes a range of order types that allow users to customize their trades, as well as charts and other tools that can help individuals make informed trading decisions. Gemini charges fees for its trading services, which are based on the volume of trades that a user executes over a 30-day period. For example, for trades up to $500,000, taker fees are 0.35%, whereas makers do not face any charges. For trades between $500,000 and $1 million, it is 0.30% for takers and 0% for makers. However, takers have a 0.25% fee and makers 0% fee for trades between 1 million and 5 million. Transactions over 5 million takers have 0.20% fees and makers are still not charged anything. It is worth noting that these fees do not include any fees that payment processors or banks may charge for depositing or withdrawing funds from the exchange itself. The specific fees depend on the digital asset being withdrawn and the destination of the withdrawal. The exchange doesn't charge any fees for deposits, which is a nice touch. Overall, in terms of fees, the exchange keeps its head down and travels the middle of the road. Gemini places a strong emphasis on security and has implemented several measures to protect its users' assets. Some of the security measures that the exchange has in place include offline cold storage, two-factor authentication, encrypted communications, which mean data transmitted between its user devices and servers are unhackable, and regular audits to ensure full compliance. For users themselves, they have to provide a full KYC with ID, selfie, and address verification before they can use the site. And if the account is a corporate account, the customer must provide additional information and documents such as a certificate of incorporation, articles of association, and a proof of business address. Whilst it doesn't go the extra mile with security on sites such as Kraken, Gemini is still very secure, which can give users confidence when trading. Gemini has a customer support team that is available to assist users with any issues or questions they may have. The exchange offers a number of ways for users to get in touch with customer support. Users can send an email to support@gemini.com with their questions or issues. However, emails typically take longer than 24 hours, therefore isn't an ideal option. For users to get in contact in real time, the only option is a 24/7 online chat feature on the Gemini website. The support is typically good at responding to all questions in a timely and suitable manner, but it can take longer for more complex issues. As with most exchanges, Gloria's phone support is unavailable, which is a tick in the negative column. Note to all exchanges, it's the 21st century. Where is phone support? Gemini has not been involved in any significant controversies, apart from being the victim of a DDoS attack in 2018, which temporarily disrupted its operations. The attack was carried out by a group of hackers who were able to flood the exchange's servers with traffic, causing them to become overwhelmed and crash. But the issue was promptly fixed and operations resumed quickly. Given how unfortunately prevalent hacks and scandals are in the crypto space, this was a big plus for the exchange. Gemini is a reliable, trustworthy, and well-regarded platform that is well suited for both retail and institutional investors, and being regulated by the NYSDFS gives it clout many other exchanges simply can't compete with. Being such a regulated exchange means that it focuses on providing a simple, secure, and user-friendly platform for buying and selling digital assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum, but suffers a lack of new and exciting coins. It also doesn't offer leverage trading or other advanced trading features like other top exchanges, so if users are interested in those features, they'll need to keep that in mind. I'm Stuart, aka The Wordsmith, on behalf of CoinScan.